Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can receive the payment on Binance. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this Binance app here. So I'm going to open this app here. So now as you can see, now simply we have to click on this icon here. So let's click on this icon. And after clicking on this icon, as you can see now, different types of options are provided here: send, cash, red pocket, or whatever you want. For example, we want to use this receive here, so we have to click on the receive option. And after clicking on the receive option, as you can see, if you want to set your currency, you can also do that. You have to click on the set currency, and I want to set this USDT. And if you want to add the amount, you can also do that. I'm going to click on this 20 here. Let's click on the continue. As you can see now, we are done. So this is the URL. If you want to share the payment link, you can also do that. You have to click on the payment link here, and after that you have to choose the currency here. So I'm going to choose the USDT here, and after that we have to write the amount here. For example, I'm going to write the 200 here. So as you can see, I have written the 2000 here. So let's click on the share link here, and after clicking on the share link, as you can see, this is collecting, and these all options are provided here. Now if you want to share this through WhatsApp, or if you want to copy the link, or if you want to get the other options, you can also do that. Now simply we have to click on this. As you can see, share again. If you want to click on the share again, you can also do that. So in this way you can get the payment. In this way you can receive the payment on the Binance app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.